friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel TR Production. In this video I am going to share in how to use Veet hair removal cream. Friends, this is a Veet hair removal cream in the dry skin variant. Okay, now let's open this Veet box. Inside it has a manual how to use hair removal cream, so please read this before apply. It has oven spatula, it's very good. Now let's see how to use this. Now let's apply the cream like this. Instruction said to wait to 5 minutes before removing the cream. Okay, now it's time to remove the cream. Wow, it's very smooth. My skin feels smooth and soft. So friends, if you're new to hair removal creams, buy sensitive variant. Use it without any bad reaction. Today I use dry skin variant because it's really good for me. If you get something knowledge in this video, please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you soon with next video. Till then, bye.